Boulfaf is the crown jewel of Eid Al Adha celebrations in Morocco. The name Boulfaf means wrapped in Arabic, referring to liver pieces wrapped in rich, flavorful fat and grilled to perfection. The preparation is a family affair, with every member playing a vital role. Picture this. One family member expertly grills a whole clean lamb liver over glowing coals, achieving that perfect medium rare doneness. Meanwhile, another member meticulously hangs the lamb lace fat to dry, preparing it for its moment on the grill. Once the liver is perfectly grilled, it's sliced into bite-sized cubes and seasoned with a tantalizing mix of salt, cumin, and chili pepper. The dried caul fat is then cut into strips and lightly seasoned, ready to embrace the liver cubes. Each liver cube is wrapped in a strip of caul fat and carefully threaded onto skewers. Back to the grill, they go for a second round of cooking, infusing them with even more smoky goodness. A final sprinkle of cumin enhances the flavors, et voila, boulfaf is ready to be devoured. Pair it with Moroccan mint tea and crusty bread for a truly authentic and delightful experience. بصحة وراحة.